Okay, this is my 3D printer, and as you can tell, it's going right now. I'm printing stuff all the time with it. Um, it takes that plastic and pushes it down through that nozzle, comes out the nozzle, and this thing controls the slicer software, tells it how to print whatever it is you're printing. And you design it in a 3D modeling program like AutoCAD or something like that. Okay. Now, okay. This is some of the stuff that I printed with it. That is a sluice, and one of those online costs, I don't know, $300 or $400. These are just neat things that I made. I printed it all out at one time, and it prints the spring and everything at one time. And the box pops open. You know, it's a spring-loaded box, so you can push a button on it and it pops the top open. This is a little gold spiral thing that you stick in. Well, anyway, it's another more prospecting stuff. That's what this is too. This is just a box, a plastic box with a screen over it. You throw your dirt in there and it knocks the big rocks off. And this is a little bit finer screen in case you want to cut it down to just real fine dirt. These are shelves that you mount on a wall. I designed these in about 45 minutes or something. And they got you just put them on a wall like that, and you can mount a camera on them. You can mount them anywhere on the wall. And they got a little pedestal up here that you put the camera on. This is a removable tool tray. It kind of slides in and locks in place like that. And you can take that off of there and unscrew this handle on it and take it off. You can put it pretty much anywhere. I made it for my workbench, but you just screw it onto the bench like that, and then you slide your stuff down in there like that. And I've been thinking about buying a magnet with one-sided glue on it so I can put it in the bottom, so if you set it on the table and put a bunch of screws in it, if you bump it or something, they don't go flying out. And you set them on, you know, put that thing over there on the back side of your table of your workbench, and you don't lose your screws when you're working on a project. These are cigarette cases, cases for cigarettes, and I can make them in any color, pretty much. This is a neat little thing I printed out. It's got a place to put ink pens. It's for your desk. It's got a place to put ink pens. It's got micro SD card slots, 5 of them. It's got 2 SD card slots and 3 USB slots. And if you're like me, you got too many USBs for that, so I printed this out too. This thing holds all my USBs. This little tool tray, spool adapters. Here's another cigarette holder. This one's kind of weird, but you unscrew that and you put all your cigarettes in it individually, and then you screw the top down. And if you go out in the rain, it don't get wet. Your cigarettes don't get wet. But these are just some of the things I printed out, and I figured I'd share that with y'all. More later.